Hello, fellow classmates. My name is Roger Hooks, and in this week's discussion, we are to explain the applications of each data type to business data and provide specific examples. The data types include primitive, collections, and objects. So going into the primitive data types include bit, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. Primitive data are only single values. They have no special capabilities. On the other hand, non-primitive data types include string, arrays, and classes. Primitive data types are predefined, stored in a stack, and do not have null as a default value. Numeric primitives. Short, int, long, float, double. These primitive data types hold only numeric data. Operations associated with such data types are those of simple arithmetic or of comparison. Textual primitives, bit and char, these primitive data types hold characters. Operations associated with such types are those of textual manipulation. However, bit and char can also support arithmetic operations. Boolean and null primitives. Boolean and null. A collection, we'll go into a collection. A collection is a grouping of some variable numbers of data items that have some shared significance to the problem being solved and need to be operated upon together in some controlled fashion. Collections are objects that group other objects according to a conceptual scheme. For example, a card deck is a collection of cards. A dictionary is a collection of words. Collection is another term for data structures. They are used to store, manipulate, retrieve, aggregate data. Examples of collections include lists, sets, multisets, trees, and graphs. Object data types are also referred to as non-primitive or reference data type. They are so called because they refer to any particular objects. Unlike the primitive data types, the non-primitive ones are created by the users in Java. Examples include arrays, screens, classes, interfaces, etc. Object data types are user-defined, while the default value for the reference variable is null. Reference variable is stored in a stack, and the original object is stored in a heap. In a business setting, one could build an array list with initial capacity being specific using the following construction. In my document, I have array list, AR equals new array list, parentheses n, null. And that concludes my discussion. Thank you.